Welcome to our video on S corporations, or S Corp for short. If you're a small business owner, you may have heard of S Corp but might not be exactly sure what they are or how they work. In this video, we will answer those questions and provide you with a basic understanding of what an S Corp is. Before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important business topics. An S Corp is a type of corporation that is taxed differently from a regular corporation, also known as a C Corp. S Corp are named after Subchapter S of the Internal Revenue Code, which outlines the specific rules and regulations that govern them. In fact, the Internal Revenue Service estimates that there are over 4 million S corporations in the United States, making up about 45% of all corporate tax returns filed. A study by the National Bureau of Economic Research found that S Corp are particularly popular among small businesses, with 88% of S Corp having less than $5 million in annual revenue. One of the main differences between an S Corp and a C Corp is that S Corp are considered pass-through entities, which means that the company's profits and losses get passed toward the individual shareholders and taxed at their personal tax rates. Not all corporations are eligible to become S Corp. In order to qualify, a corporation must meet certain requirements, including being a domestic corporation, having no more than 100 shareholders, only having individuals, estates, certain trusts, and tax-exempt organizations as shareholders, having only one class of stock. There are several advantages to operating as an S Corp. This includes limited liability protection for shareholders, pass-through taxation, which can result in lower taxes overall, the ability to avoid double taxation, which is a common issue for C Corp, and increased credibility with customers, vendors, and lenders, as S Corp are viewed as more established and trustworthy than other business structures. If you need more information about S Corp or help forming any business entity, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts right now, 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the benefits of S Corp? Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.